Welcome to the exciting world of Albakio International, and today we are going to learn about Pakistani currency. Dear kids, Ali has 3 goats, whereas Salman has 4 cows. Ali needs to buy 2 cows, while Salman needs to buy a goat. What will they do? Remember, both of them don't have any money. How do you get things? Do you need money to buy things? Yes. In old times, when there was no money, people used to exchange their products and things with each other. But it was a very difficult task. Alhamdulillah, today we are having money with us. And with this money, we can buy anything easily. Time to recognize coins and rupees. This is 1 rupee coin, 2 rupees coin, 5 rupees coin, 10 rupees note, 20 rupees note, 50 rupees note, and 100 rupees note. Remember, all the countries have their own currencies. Time to check your knowledge. Is it a 1 rupee coin? Yes. What's about this one? Is this one a 5 rupees coin? No, this is a 2 rupees coin. Now what's about this one? Is it a 20 rupees note? Yes. And what's about this one? Is it a 50 rupees note? No, this is a 100 rupees note. Good. Look at here. Salma has 4 coins. It means that Salma has 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. She has 8 rupees. And what's about Ali? He has 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. He has 20 rupees. Now who has more money? Ali has more money. That's great. Let's enjoy the shopping time now. Look at here. A pencil costs rupees 10. A scale or ruler costs rupees 10. A candy or a toffee costs rupees 5. A notebook costs rupees 20. An eraser costs rupees 10. And a duster costs rupees 1. Children want to find out the total cost of the following articles. Let's help them. Pencil and scale. Pencil costs rupees 10 and scale also costs rupees 10. So what is the total cost? It is 10 plus 10 equal to 20. Great. The notebook costs rupees 20 and an eraser costs rupees 10. So what is the total cost? 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Now go to your teacher or your parents and ask them to give you some coins and notes and tell them the value of the coins and the notes. Take care of your good self.